How's it going, guys? Today, for the first time ever, I actually have all 5 printers printing at the same time. So I've been able to print on all of them so far, but as I mentioned in my video yesterday, I finally got these NFC tags working to trick the XYZ Printing DaVinci Mini printer into thinking that it has its own brand of filament on it, but this is a third-party brand that I got on Amazon. And I just stuck the tag, you can't really see it, but it's just stuck under the thing there. And so that's printing right now. It's just a calibration cube, but then I have a battery holder printing on this Monoprice. And then out here I have, this is outside, it's my King Rune that I got on Amazon, and it's printing a battery holder as well, an ABS. And then over here I have this Anycubic printer. It's printing straps for face masks, for the coronavirus stuff that's going on. And then over here on my ANET A8 knockoff, I have another battery holder printing. So that's running straight from here because it was having issues printing from the micro SD. So I'm printing it from this computer. And this is controlling the DaVinci Mini over there over Wi-Fi. That's running on a micro SD. Also, this out here is running on a micro SD, the King Rune, and this is being controlled by that printer. So hopefully you can keep all that straight. Sorry, that was probably more information you wanted to know, but that's what's going on. So yeah, I was just excited and want to make a video about it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.